Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the replacement file and locating the target clip on the timeline. Tap the plus or drag to add your new clip, then zoom timeline to precisely find the start and end. Once you have the clip selected, scrub to set the exact in and out points so the replacement will match your sequence length. This preserves cuts and transitions. Make sure audio syncs roughly. You can fine-tune later. This saves time and avoids shifting other clips when you swap media. Once the target clip is ready, select it and open the clip menu, then pick Replace Clip. Choose your replacement from the media bin. Capcut will insert it into the same slot. You need to check fit versus fill and adjust scale or position so framing matches. This prevents sudden jumps in composition. If audio matters, decide to maintain audio to keep original sound or unlink and swap audio separately. These choices control both visual continuity and audio sync for a seamless edit. To finish, play the sequence and watch for visual or audio drift. You should nudge the replaced clip by frames if lip sync or cuts feel off. Once done, reapply any transitions or effects that may have detached during the swap and confirm keyframes stayed intact. If the replacement is too long or short, trim it, adjust speed, or insert a freeze frame to maintain timing. If problems persist, undo, confirm the replacement file's resolution and frame rate, then repeat the replace step to avoid artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.